Hi, you're welcome to Explore Insights. In this video, I'd like to teach on 15th complement subtraction. So I'll be looking more on case 1 in this video. I'll also talk about case 2 in my next video. I've been talking long about complement subtraction. The previous videos talked about first complement subtraction and second complement subtraction. So if you like to watch that video, please do well to go to my previous video. Now let's start with 15th complement subtraction. So when I talk about case 1, I want to talk about the subtraction of large number from small number. So for the small number, I've represented that as S, while the large number is being represented as L. So with that, we have the minor end and the superhand. Now, before we proceed with the 15 complement subtraction, it's very important for you to know the steps. Without the steps, you become confused on what to do to get an answer to a given question. So let's quickly go through the steps. It's just 4 steps and very simple. So step 1 says, take the 15 complements of the superhand, which is this. Now, once you've gotten the 15th complement, add it to the minor end, which is n. From that, you check. If carry is not generated, then the result is said to be negative and in its 15th complement form. The next step to do, which is step 4, is to take 15 complements of the results generated from step 3 again to get the actual result. To cut this story short, let me take you with an example. So let's strike with example 1. We are asked to subtract C7C from B06 using 15th complement method. Now maybe you are in the example hall and the question is written like this. Remember 2 important things. You need to identify what is the minor end, the superhand, and also what method are you required to work with. So with that, we are starting with a solution. So at this point, I'd like you to hit the like button. So let's proceed. Now, in this case, I'm just identifying my minor end and my superhand before I go with the steps. So at this point, we have B06 to be the minor end and C7 to be the superhand. Now let's start with step 1. Step 1 says take the 15th complement of the superhand. Now you've known the superhand to be C7C. So with that, I'm just going to spread the value of C7C and put 15, 15 in each. So we have 15, 15, 15 minus C minus 7 and C. Okay, so that's to say 15 will subtract, C will subtract from 15 and likewise for others. Now, what is our C? Our C is 12. As you can see here, in our hexadecimal form, we say C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. So at this point, our C is 12. So 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 minus 7 is 8. And 15 minus C is 3. Now the next step is to add it to the minor end. Now what are we adding? We are adding what we have here, 383 to the minor end BO6. And once we do that, we are going to have BO6 plus 383. 6 plus 3 will be 9. 0 plus 8 will be 8. B plus 3 will be E. Remember, our B here is 11. That's to say 11 plus 3 is 14. And our 14, if we represent it in hexadecimal form, it's actually E. So the next thing to consider is step 3. In step 3, we have to identify, is there carry? So if carry is not generated, then the result is said to be negative. And in its 15 complement form. So from our step 2, there was no carry. So we are going to leave it in its negative form and take this as 15th complement. So this is why we have minus E89. So the next thing is our step 4, in which we are supposed to take this 15 complements again, this value, to get the actual result. But please note that when you want to take this value, you're actually not considering the sign. You're only going for these digits. So with that, we have 15, 15, 15 minus the E, 8, 9 respectively. So 15 minus 9 will be 6, 15 minus 8 will be 7, and 15 minus E, which is actually 14, will be 1. So at the end of the day, our result is going to be minus 176, which we have here. I'll be ending this video right here. Please do well to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You can also share this video on my channel to your friends and family. Do have a nice time. Bye.